One of the many things you need to add to your games to tell a story is facial animation. But animating by hand is really hard and a mocap setup with facial capture can be expensive. So in this video I want to show you guys how to generate facial animations for a metahuman using Unreal Engine 5. But before that, if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't lose any new content. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing you need to do is get the metahuman plugin. You can get this plugin in the Fab website. I'll leave a link in the description. So just log to your account and click on add to my library, and once you do that you can go to the Epic Games launcher, Unreal Engine, library, and here in the Fab library you will find the metahuman plugin. Just search for the name in the search box here and install to your engine. As you can see, I already did that, so now we can use this plugin in Unreal. Once you install the plugin, you can open your project. And by the way, I'm using here Unreal Engine 5.5, right? So first we need to enable the plugin. To do this, just go to Edit, Plugins, and here in the search box, search for metahuman. And as you can see, we have the plugin here, metahuman, the official metahuman Unreal Engine toolkit. So as you can see, this plugin is experimental, so keep in mind that the things that I'll show here may change in the future, right? So let's enable that. Here in this message, click yes, and now you need to restart your engine. After restarting the engine, you should have the metahuman plugin enabled. So now we can create the metahuman performance. To do this, let's open the folders, and I already have a metahuman here, this Emmanuel. So let's open this, and here let's create the performance. So just right click, and if you enable the plugin, you should have this metahuman animator tab here. So here we have the metahuman performance. Let's create that. You can name it whatever you want, but I'll leave as it is. Now we just need to open this, and if you see this message here, just click on OK, and as you can see, now we have the metahuman performance here. And as you can see, I imported a audio here to use as an example. This is just the audio that I use for the intro of this video, as you can hear. One of the many things you need to add to your games to tell a story. So I'll just use this audio as an example, but of course you can use whatever audio you have. Okay, so back to the metahuman performance. Here we need to change some things. So first, in the input type, let's change this to audio. And as you can see, we can select a audio file. So let me just select the one that I showed you before, this one here, right? And let's add a visualization mesh. So here, just select the face mesh of the metahuman that you have. So for me is this one here. So if you see this message, just click on yes. And as you can see, now we have the metahuman with the controls right here. And if we scroll down here, we have more options. So for example, the generate blinks. So if you want the metahuman performance to generate blinks for you, just leave this checked. But if not, of course, uncheck this and the metahuman performance will not generate the blinks, right? So after all that, you can click on process, and the metahuman performance will create the animations based on the audio that you provided, as you can see. So after it finished, just hit play and you will see the animation. One of the many things you need to add to your games to tell a story is facial animation. But so it's simple as that. And of course you can export this as an animation sequence to use in your games. So you can use this as it is, or you can modify, add more blinks, add head movement and things like that. So to do this, just click on export animation and select the folder that you want. So for me is this one. Let me change the name here to anim face, and now just click on save, and you can leave all the things here as it is, all the settings, right? So now just click on create, and there you go. Now we have the animation. So if we go back to the folders here, and if you're in the animation mode here, you can change by clicking here and going back to selection, as you can see. So now if we go to the folder, we have here the anim face, the animation sequence, as you can see. And just to show you, let's add a notify here to play the sound. So here in the notifies track, the first one here, right click and go to add notify, play sound, and now right click on this play sound notify here. So let's put this on the 0 here in the frame, so the first frame, right, 0. And here in the sound, just select the same sound that you use to generate the animations, right? And now if we hit play, we should have the animation with the sound. One of the many things you need to add to your games to tell a story, as you can see, is facial. Okay, so I just added the metahuman to the level to show you this, because now we have the animation sequence, right? So let's select the metahuman, and here in the details, let's select the face skeleton mesh, and let's change the animation mode to animation asset, and here let's just select the animation that we created, so this one here, anim face. So now if we hit play, we should have the animation with the audio. One of the many things you need to add to your games to tell a story, so everything is working, but animating by hand. And that's basically it. Now you can use the metahuman plugin to create facial animations for your metahumans, and this will probably improve over time, right? So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to be notified when I release another one. And as always, thank you for watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.